the Treaty of 1908. So this is the line, the border line between Canada and the United States.
Dito malapit na washroom.
Ayan, oh, sige.
Ito lang tayo eh.
Oh. Oh,
Ito
sige.
nakakaliwaan.
Oh.
Ito naman gabig dito.
Oh, sige.
Diyan meron sila.
Hindi, asa tong kwan? Asa tong kwan na to?
Just go straight here. On the trail.
Oy mga kabisdak! Naami din sa Fish Garden. Ito yung tapil niya.
Ba nila yung tower na mataas?
Ha?
May tower dito na mataas eh. Tinanggal ba nila yun?
Ewan ko, hindi ko rin alam.
Ikaw na ako dito. Oo nga, yun nga, may tower nga dito eh.
Baka sa iba yun. Sa ibang lugar pa, hindi ba? Baka hindi mo kasama si Willit nun, ha?
Oo. May tower yan yung ano, parang salamat sa'yo, wala si NBC dito. Kung nandito si NBC, ang daming kasama.
Yung Peace Garden dito. Oy, this is the US side already. So, inabot namin US. Parking. Ito yung ano center between Canada and US. This side is the Canada side and this side is the United States of America side. So ito yung sentro and also that way, going that way. So yan.
yan, dito, pasyal mo ng konti, tapos dun, bababa tayo sa baba.
Peace Chapel. Oh. I will look down at this. Keep us chant. Just do something. It's been Ito was yung the greatest. Peace of every human peace. Peace of every human peace of every you. Napatawag dito.